how to remove Messenger Meta AI in iPhone. So if you want to do that, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to navigate to the setting of your iPhone. Once you are on your setting of your iPhone, you have to just go for your Wi-Fi, and here you have to set your internet connection. After that, you have to just go back and scroll down and go for your general here. Once you are on your general, you have to just go for the software update. And here you can see that they are checking for software update. So you have to update your iPhone to the latest version. You can see that. After updating your iPhone to the latest version, you have to scroll down and go for your iPhone storage here. Once you are on your iPhone storage, here you have to just scroll down and go for your Messenger. So once you are on your Messenger app, here you have to offload your app of the Messenger. Then you can delete the Messenger app and reinstall it on your device. Old version, now you can use your old version of your Messenger on your device. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.